Merry Christmas, everyone! My name is Jess from Sallie Tomato, and first of all, I hope you will have a fantastic day filled with cheer and joy, friends and family. However you are celebrating the holidays, I hope that it is a special day for you. And welcome to the final day of our Sallie Tomato Advent Box. We'll be unwrapping the grand finale of our Holiday Royale box, and I think we saved the best for last. Day 25. This final item in the Advent box is designed specifically to be a classic, sophisticated addition to hold your daily essentials. And a special note from us here at Sallie Tomato, we thank you for joining us each day of the Advent box and for your support and enthusiasm to have made this experience for all of us truly special. And from our family to yours, we wish you a very special holiday season. And I love this paper. It has a pearl finish with a damask design. So elegant, of course. And for our grand finale, we have included our 2024 holiday project, which is the Lane shoulder bag. This easy to sew shoulder bag features an inside slip pocket and magnetic snap or turn lock closure. Leading up to today, over the last few days, you've received the fabric and the hardware to create this project. Plus, you can go back to day 2 and use some of the zipper that was included in the zipper bundle. So you are ready to sew this stylish project and wear it proudly into the new year. This bag pairs beautifully with any of our Sallie Tomato wallet patterns, such as the Bella wallet or Lucky Penny, and the new Tracy that you received this month. We truly hope that you enjoy this fashionable addition to your handmade bag assortment. And I'd like to share a big shout out to those of you who purchased and participated in this year's Advent box and the unboxing. I hope that the items inside this box inspired you and added a little bit of creativity to your holiday season. We truly enjoy planning out all of the projects and all of the new products that are included in the box every single year. So I hope that you've enjoyed this year's theme, and we're already looking forward to next year. If you want to purchase next year's Advent box, remember to subscribe to our newsletter, which is linked below, and you will get an email when it is available for pre-order. We would love to see the projects that you are creating from this year's Advent box. Remember to use the hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box when you post on social media so we can see it and celebrate your creations with you. Thank you so much for watching these unboxing videos, and we look forward to sewing with you in the new year.